Hi guys, it's Miss McLean here, and I wanted to show you what you're going to be working on today in class with Miss Hancock while I am over in Smyrna doing my Social Studies Coalition. So, first thing you want to do is after your morning work, it's a math worksheet on perimeters, and remember, yesterday with perimeters we worked on measuring the outside of polygons. Um, Anyway, so let's talk about ELA first. And in ELA, I'm going to need you all to get into Schoology today and in the ELA course. Once you're there, click on Unit 4. And today you're going to start with this fact and opinion blend space. Now, when you open the fact and opinion blend space, if it asks you to log in, here is the code XHVT. Some of you may not need that, but remember, if you do have to do it, that's the code for our class. When you click on it, today's lesson is going to load up. Go ahead and you can hit play. Now remember when you do blend spaces, you can go out of order. When you're doing the blend space, you're going to use this worksheet, this grid. It is front and it is back. Each one of these, the question is exactly the same right here. So for this video, you're going to watch the video, watch the teaching video, then write one fact and one opinion about your favorite animal. So fact, opinion. This is the same, and it's the same right there. Scroll through, you have, you're going to be opening up this. This one's really easy. This is a game. Remember, it says play the game, make a fact, to make the fact statements correct. Good luck. So it'll say open up a new tab. Maybe, well, that's a good thing I'm doing this blend space. I'll let you guys skip this one. Because that's not working today. Oh well, it worked yesterday. That's the internet, changes every day. All right, so let's go to number 4. Fact and opinion game here. It says play this game. You're going to click that. So you're going to read the statement and determine if it's a fact and opinion. There are 30 statements and it'll say check your answer. So it's a drop down. It's pretty easy. And what you're supposed to do is complete the fact and opinion quiz. So these are pretty simple, a lot of them. Let me see. I think there's a glitch this morning. So let's exit out of this. Let's go right here to this video. Yeah, there definitely seems to be a glitch. Apparently, Blend Space needs their morning coffee. So if you run into the same glitches that I do, remember, just hit refresh. Maybe restart your computer, any of those things. And if it's just awkward like this, I'll allow you to move on. I don't want you guys getting stressed out. But the big idea is go through the whole blend space, try to do as many of these as you can. When you're done with your blend space today, you can listen to Jack and the Beanstalk. This one I read. And then the Goldilocks and the Three Bears book. This one I pulled from YouTube. If you're done super early, you can start to think about filling this out. This is not expected to be turned in today, not at all. But I do want you to maybe even start to think about which story you want to pick. You're going to listen to both today, but I only want you to pick one story that you want to focus on. So either Jack and the Beanstalk or Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So you can start filling this out until special and then just stick it in your ELA folder. The blend space you'll turn in. Okay, now later on today in science, you're going to be developing your water filter. You're going to draw the different types of filter materials you think you want. All the directions, oh, I have this upside down. All the directions are right up here. And it says draw and label the items. add your bottle, but there's also questions on the back that I need you filling out. Um, and it's self-explanatory. And finally, for math today, it is a math packet. It's 4 questions. Um, it has to do with measuring. It has to do with um, addition and subtraction and all of those things that work with perimeter. So um, if you have trouble, remember to ask Miss Hancock and ask Miss Coleman. I expect good behavior. I trust you guys. I know you'll make me proud, and have a great day at school today, and I will see you tomorrow.